What's up, English?
Hello everyone, I'm Naoko from Eon Kids.
My name is June, and I'm also from Eon Kids.
日常の場面で使えるフレーズを私たちと一緒に楽しく練習しましょ
う。What's up with today's situation? Let's take a look. Can I use your computer? Okay, I guess. This is taking forever. Wow, the alien types very slowly.
指がないから一度に1文字ずつ打たないといけないからだよ。
The alien has 6 arms.
Now let's practice the phrase of the month. 今月のフレーズは Can I? です。
Let's practice. Can I use your with things around the house? Please listen and repeat after me. Can I use your computer? Can I use your marker? Can I use your chair? Can I use your dictionary? Can I use your headphones? Can I use your calculator? Great work.
今回は淳先生にあなたの何々を使ってもいいと聞く練習をしてみましょう。今日習った単語でも他の単語を使っても OK です。
Are you ready? Sure. Of course. Okay, here you go. Good job.
Hey June, can I use your calculator?
Okay, what for?
Well, I paid for lunch, remember? You owe me this much. That's all for today. 今日のフレーズを友達や家族と一緒に練習してみてね。
Good job, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. See you next time. Bye.